It's been a good year. Several things. One, we've moved to a different course. It challenged us as people who are preparing the event, but the team was excellent and they were able to deliver a good course, deliver good infrastructure, and also deliver good journeys for the spectators, for the players, and for everybody who is coming into this place. So that is the first thing that happened. Secondly, with the development of the DP World Tour, we also had the best entry in terms of players. We had 144 players, and out of those, there are 46 former winners on the DP World Tour. And as far as this event is concerned, at the time of entry, we had all our 6 past winners who entered. Unfortunately, 2 of them withdrew. So we had 4 past winners during the DP World Tour period, but we also had 1 past winner during the Challenge Tour period, which was about 10 years ago. So we've got a good field in terms of players. We've got a good field in terms of the course. And I think we've also got a good field in terms of the opportunities that we presented for the spectators in this place. We had 18 Kenyans, both amateurs and professionals. We had 17 players from South Africa, and then we had 1 from Rwanda and 1 from Nigeria. So that is the pool that we had, and 1 from Zimbabwe as well. So we've had quite a bit of attrition in terms of the Africans, and our local pros only 1. We had 18 Kenyans out of a field of 144 playing. But now when you look at today, out of the bottom 30, 15 are Kenyans. That is a big disappointment for me, and we really have to do some work to make sure that we don't have the statistics next year. When you look at the scores at the end of play today, they're all bunched up. So people have to attack, they have to go forward if they're going to win. I mean, there's almost, I think, 20 players within 3 shots of the top. And that is not an easy place. If you're sitting at the top, is not going to be an easy place to stay. Jorge Campillo, who was a past winner here, he played a fantastic round, so he's also coming into contention. Although he was, I think was at probably number 40 something before. Now he's in the top 10. So tomorrow is going to be a day of fireworks.